Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start in Windows by opening Settings, then System, then About to view details. You will see device name, processor details, installed RAM in gigabytes, and device ID. Check Storage under Settings, then System, then Storage to see available and total GB. Run msinfo32 to open system information for BIOS version, baseboard, and serial number. Use dxdiag to get DirectX and GPU details, including RAM size shown in megabytes. Open Command Prompt and run ipconfig/all to see IP addresses, DNS servers, and MAC addresses. On Mac OS, open Apple menu, then About this Mac to view Mac OS version and hardware summary. Click System Report to see model identifier, processor name, number of cores, and RAM in GB. Use System Profiler SB hardware data type in terminal to print serial number, hardware UUID, and clock speed. On Linux, run lscpu to list CPU model, cores, and megahertz. View /proc/miminfo for exact memory kilobytes and /proc/CPUinfo for per core details. Save outputs to files with or T for troubleshooting and inventory. Find storage details in Windows Disk Management or Mac OS Disk Utility to read partition sizes in GB. Check GPU info with Device Manager, dxdiag, or System Profiler to see GPU model and RAM in megabytes. Get network hardware and MAC addresses from ipconfig/all, ifconfig, or settings network details. Export system reports to text or JSON and encrypt sensitive files using a passphrase. Record serial numbers, model identifiers, and purchase dates for warranty and asset tagging. Regularly document changes and backup reports to cloud or local encrypted storage for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.